Well, warranty is only as good as it's written, and a lot of time these siding warranties are written so specific, and there's so many exclusions in them that, and the way that the terms are, there's not a lot of meat on the bone with these siding warranties. So it's best to look at that siding warranty and make sure that you understand each piece of it, whether it's a manufacturer's warranty or the installation warranty. The way our warranty is structured here at Craftsman's Choice is that if there's anything that was installed improperly, we'll come out and fix it, no questions asked. We'll identify the issue, identify a solution, and then take care of that. Some of our best reviews from our customers are after they've had us come out for a minor repair, and we've taken care of that after 8 or 9 years, where some of our other competitors try to slough it off and find a way to get out of that. We actually pride ourselves in our warranty, and it's another opportunity to be in front of our customers again.